I'm standing where my future tomato plants are going to go, and I'm going to till my 5-gallon buckets, 2 of them. Every garden plot every now and then needs to be tilled, and normally I use a hand rake to do it, but today I'm going to use something different. Stay tuned. This is an auger, and it's connected to my hand drill, and I'm going to use it to till my soil. Using this, I can see it's going to be very quick. It won't take very long to turn the soil and get it to where I want it to be. I'm going to put some amendments in here. It will be blood meal, bone meal, alfalfa meal, and a couple other things I'll show you. First thing I'm going to put is a cup of 855 fertilizer. This is from Nature's Safe. Next is going to be a cup of bone meal. Next, blood meal. Next, the alfalfa meal. Perlite. And last, a little calcium in the form of ground up eggshells. Okay, I'm going to use the auger again to blend all this in very slowly, and then we'll plant one of the tomatoes. Okay, I dug a little hole where I'm going to put the plant in. I'm going to put a handful of blood meal, 2 handfuls of bone meal, and some more calcium and alfalfa meal into the hole, and then I'm going to plant the plant. Mixing everything in so that the plant isn't sitting directly on it. Okay, this is brandywine. I planted it, I guess I didn't write the date, but it's been about maybe 4 weeks ago, and I'm going to plant it in the hole, and when it gets bigger, I'm going to use string trellis method to control it. It has a good root system. It's not root bound. Very healthy. Now I'm going to put a little compost around it, and then I'm going to put some mulch on it. This is Blue Mountain straw that I ordered off of Amazon. Okay, that's 1 down, and we have 2 to go. So let's get started. Okay, all mixed in. Next I'm going to put in the other plant. I'm going to put in a little bit more amendments in the hole, and then we're going to plant the plant. Bone meal. You don't. Mixing everything in. And next I'm going to put in the plant. Okay, this is a Floridade tomato, and I'm going to put it in and trellis it just like the brandy wine. Plant it deep. Up, press down. And next I'm going to put some compost around and then mulch. Okay, we're all done with those two. I have one more to do, but it's not big enough, so probably in a couple of weeks. I got an opinion about using the auger. What I have noticed is that it's a little bit more messier, so I have some cleanup to do right now. So I'm not going to film that, but I'm going to do the cleanup, and then I'm going to come back and water in the plants. I want to thank you for watching me do something different today. And if you like my content, by all means, please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the like button. Also, make sure to click the notification bell so you'll be notified